Imagine waking up one day and the moon is gone. It's hard to imagine our sky without it. The moon, silent, ancient, watching over us for more than 4 billion years. It pulls our oceans, steadies our planet, and quietly marks the rhythm of every night since life began. But what if one day it simply vanished? No explosion, no warning, just gone. Tonight we step beyond imagination to explore the chain reaction that would unfold if the moon disappeared. This isn't science fiction. This is what would really happen. At first, it might not seem so bad. The sun would rise and set. The stars would still burn above us. But the nights would be darker than any human has ever known. Without moonlight, the night sky would turn into a black ocean. The brightest object left would be Venus, but it's 400,000 times dimmer than a full moon. For nocturnal animals, predators, and prey alike, that darkness would be chaos. Entire ecosystems depend on the moon's gentle glow. Birds would lose their migration paths. Sea turtles would lose their way to the shore. Humanity's oldest nightlight would be gone forever. The moon's gravity doesn't just make tides, it stabilizes us. Earth is tilted at about 23.5 degrees, and that tilt gives us our seasons. Without the moon's steadying pull, Earth would start to wobble. Slowly, quietly. But over thousands of years, that wobble would grow. Summers would turn into infernos. Winters would bury continents in ice. The poles might swing toward the sun, while the equator freezes. The moon is the balance wheel of our world, and without it, our planet becomes unpredictable. Every day, billions of tons of seawater rise and fall, pulled by the moon's gravity. Without it, tides would shrink by more than 70%. The sun would still tug at the oceans, but weakly. Beaches would stretch for miles. Coastal ecosystems would collapse. The delicate rhythm that life has followed for billions of years, gone. Crabs, mussels, seabirds, millions of species rely on those tides to survive. Even our weather would shift. The oceans breathe with the moon, and when it stops breathing, the planet begins to change. The moon didn't just shape the Earth, it shaped us. Billions of years ago, the first life may have formed in tidal pools, shallow waters created by the moon's pull. The constant rise and fall mixed chemicals in just the right way to spark biology. Without the moon, that spark might never have ignited. In a way, we owe our existence to it, a cosmic coincidence that made us possible. So if it disappeared now, life would go on, but it would never be the same. Over millions of years, the moon has been slowing Earth's spin. Without it, the planet would gradually start to speed up again. Days would shorten, not instantly, but relentlessly. 24 hours could become 20, then 16. A faster spin means stronger winds, so more violent storms, and a climate pushed to extremes. The moon has been our brake pedal. Take it away, and the Earth starts to race. The moon does more than light the sky. It protects us. Its gravity acts like a shield, deflecting or capturing countless asteroids. Without it, Earth would face far more impacts. Over centuries, that could mean mass extinctions. The moon is our silent guardian. Take it away, and the universe becomes a little more dangerous. For thousands of years, the moon has been humanity's oldest mirror, reflecting our myths, our love, our time itself. Poets wrote to it. Farmers planted by it. Sailors navigated under it. Entire calendars were built around its cycle. Its disappearance wouldn't just reshape the planet, it would reshape us. The night would feel emptier, our stories lonelier. The moon has always been there, and maybe that's why we take it for granted. The moon is quiet, constant, eternal. But if it ever left us, the world would remember what it lost. Far too late. This is ThinkOrbit, exploring the ideas that shape our existence. If you managed to stay until the end of this video, subscribe and keep your mind in motion.